Hi, everyone. My name is Kina Sipe, and I am one of the clinical supervisors here in South. And today I would like to talk to you a little bit about the health benefits of having pets, particularly the physical health benefits of pet ownership. There has been a lot of research and data on the mental health benefits, but the physical health benefits of pet ownership is a growing area of research, and I'd like to share some of that information with you today. Almost 70% of US households have at least one pet. And over the past 10 years, the National Institutes of Health have been funding a variety of research where scientists are studying the potential physical health benefits for different animals. For example, a recent study showed that caring for fish helped teens with type 1 diabetes better manage their illness. The researchers tracked how consistently these teens check their own blood sugar while feeding fish on a schedule and checking water levels. Compared with teens who weren't given a fish to care for, the fish feeding teens were more disciplined about checking their own blood glucose, which was essential for them in maintaining their own health. Zoology, which is the study of the interaction between humans and other animals, has been a growing area of research for the last 35 years. This has proved that owning a pet can lower heart rate, blood pressure, and stress hormones, increase your endorphins, and help you stay more active since pets require walks, attention, playtime, baths, grooming, and a variety of routine care. A study from the University of Virginia found that teens from dog-owning families were more physically active than teens whose families didn't own a dog, which may be helpful in the ongoing fight against childhood obesity. Some studies have also shown that pets may even prevent certain sicknesses, and this is thought to be related to bacteria sharing. So what do we mean by that? Researchers have developed what they call the hygiene hypothesis. And what this means is that in the developed world, a growing child's environment can be too clean to adequately stimulate their immune system as they get older, leading to slowed or even impaired response to germs later in life. A research team at the University of Arizona has found that when a pet brings germs into our homes on their paws, their fur, and their noses, these germs have been found to benefit the human microbiome and help keep us healthier. Researchers in Finland also found that babies who have early contact with cats and dogs are 30% less likely to experience colds, ear infections, bronchitis, and coughs than children who were not exposed to animals. Studies have also found that Amish children who grow up on farms with livestock have lower rates of asthma than children who have no pets. Dogs in particular seem to work like probiotics for us, helping us develop healthy bacteria colonies that boost our immune systems, which is what helps stop us from getting sick. Outdoor cats who also spend time indoors offer a similar health benefit, but they're usually more routine in their own self-grooming, and that's why they tend to attract fewer germs to their families than dogs do. However, just a few minutes of petting animals can give you an immunity boost. Petting a dog for 18 minutes can raise immunoglobulin A levels in your saliva, which is an important antibody that helps protect against infections. Petting animals also can lead to increased production of endorphins and oxytocin, which help reduce cortisol levels that negatively impact our immunity and may damage our organs. Pets may also help extend our lives. Analysis of data from studies done between 1950 through May of 2019 found that dog owners live longer than non-dog owners. The benefit was greatest for those who had a history of heart attack with a 65% reduced rate of mortality. Also, a Swedish study done over a 12-year period on almost 3.5 million people between the ages of 40 and 80 found that for people who lived alone, owning a dog decreased the risk of death by 33% and the risk of cardiovascular related death by 36%. Chances of having a heart attack were also 11% lower overall. Given that cardiovascular disease is one of the leading causes of mortality in our country, this seems like very important information to know. Increased quality of life for elderly folks, which can come from having a pet, is correlated with increased longevity overall. And a 2019 review of nearly 70 years of research in this area found that having a pet lowers our risk of dying from any cause by about 24%. So, given that pets offer us a wide variety of benefits, before we bring them into our lives, it's probably best to do some research to make sure that we are choosing the right pet for us and for our family. Specific breeds or animals have specific needs. There are also rescues that exist for pets other than cats and dogs. There are rescues for horses, reptiles, rabbits, guinea pigs, rats, and a wide variety of other animals other than just cats and dogs. So, in doing your research about specific needs for animals, please look into other rescue organizations for your new pet. And since we're talking about the health benefits of owning pets, these are my 3 dogs who help keep me happy and healthy. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it, and I hope you were able to learn something new.